Welcome to Offshore Renewable Energy Catapults High Voltage Test Laboratory. Here we operate a world-leading UCAS-accredited independent test facility designed to accelerate the development of cable technology for the offshore renewable energy industry. This facility is home to specialists in electrical and material technology, undertaking test and validation services for cable manufacturers, wind farm operators and research partners alike. We specialize in inter-array and export cable testing, dynamic cable testing for the emerging floating wind market, and forensic analysis of cable failure. So in these laboratories, we're helping industry to bring new products to market, and in so doing are contributing to lowering the cost of energy from renewable sources.
What we have in these facilities are equipment that can test cables up to a very high voltage in the region of 400 kilovolts. We can carry out partial discharge testing, lightning impulse testing, as well as high voltage testing on cables. We have a brand new pre-qualification rig which we can use internally and externally to the facility. We can use that now to test submarine cables. We can submerge the submarine cables externally and use the rig to apply a high voltage to the cables.
The rig that you can see behind me is it's a dynamic cable test rig that we will use for fatigue testing of submarine cables. Submarine cables in the context of this rig are the ones that will be used on dynamic floating wind farms to either interconnect the turbines or connect the substations back to shore, where there is an element of dynamic operation in their build and construction.
What we have in the electric facility is full UCAS accreditation, so you have all the benefits to test the specification within the electrical laboratory. You can then bring the materials into the material laboratory, which is also UCAS accredited. I'll do a series of chemical steps, and that'll allow me to see what is actually going on within the insulation and how that cable is performed over time, and hopefully how long that cable will be able to last in the field. What the unique aspect about this facility is we can do the full range of electrical tests and material tests at the same time, and there's not many facilities that can do that.